Yeah, I'm all set up. I look fully British. I need a monster. Where's my monster? A sweatsuit. Uh, what is it called? I only know insultive names for it. I don't know. And a monster. Let's go. Haha. Haha. No. As you can see, I am fully prepared. Ah. Yeah, a car in front of me. As you can see, I am fully prepared to the journey. I arrived to Kingston upon Hull. I supposed to be in York. I even made a script to visit the York city, but I didn't. I decided that since the weather is lovely, I should be somewhere by the sea. Here I am, Kingston upon Hull, looking fully British. I just need to work on something to eat. I guess this is a main street. I don't know anything about the city, literally anything. I was about to go York and then Edinburgh in Scotland, but I won't. I'd rather spend some time with my family, and this has to do. Right, sorry about that. I had to go to a shop, and let's start from the very beginning. Currently, I'm in Kingston upon Hull. I decided since the weather is lovely, it's going to be better than going to York, the city. This is a city as well, but it's by the seaside. So I would say it's a better option for me. I'm trying to find my way to a seaside now. I don't know anything about the city, literally anything, because I didn't take any notes of it. I just thought I will show you the city, which is a lovely city for now. Everything's flat and even, you know, the roads, roads are horrible, obviously. We're in England, United Kingdom, Britain, Great Britain, I don't know. We are here. There will be no Edinburgh, no Scotland, sadly. Yeah, it's just how it was. I thought I could make it, but I will not. I mean, I didn't want to be honest. I'll go there the other day. I'll just find myself a new plane. This was my first abroad trip with Julian, and it went brilliantly. As you can see, I'll probably edit it so it will be on the beginning of the video, just to prove that being a single father is not an issue. You can travel abroad as well. So yeah, I'll record some views for you from the city, and maybe I Google something as well so I can tell you something. This one looks awesome. Let me... Oh, sorry about that. Let me make it this way for now. I don't know how much you can see on the angle like that. I'll fix it soon. I can't really show it to you because not really good with changing all of that setup, but I can do it this way. Look at the building behind me. I hope you can see it. It looks awesome. So many lovely places in here actually, except of the Primark. Yeah, that's disgusting. But sidewalks are good, if you can see it or not. I hope you can. I'm looking for a fish and chips restaurant. I hope I can find one. Not many of them in the city center though. That's what I've heard from locals. They've sent me to one, but it's a pub as well. And I'm not really going to a pub with a kid yet. I promised his mother that I'll wait till he will be 1 year old. Sacred Jules. So I did my best to find fish and chips. I'm literally by the seaside.
Don't worry, love.
There you go. Sorry.
I was like, I'm just running now. You go up to the bin. You know where you're going?
Like a marina, I would say. Probably that bridge.
Yeah,
Someone
that
told me I
bridge,
should
yeah,
use that
that's right.
bridge.
Yeah, it's up a slope. There is a slope and everything. So
Yeah, lovely. Thank you very much. Is it even worth it to go there? Like visually, is it worth it to go there?
Is it that?
No, is it worth it? Like, shall I go there? Is it worth to climb up a ramp and thing?
Well, he had boats and stuff. It's
So
quite
lovely. Let's see if it's even worth climbing. Ah, and the nightmare begins. Oh, some nice views actually. On the traffic. And on the boats. But it's really nice in general. At least this one's down the hill. Let's change the angle now. So you can see some things behind me. It's time for me to go back. I was seriously surprised by the city. But first, it's a lovely city. Second, it's reasonably accessible, I would say. What made me sad was that I couldn't find fish and chips. I was expecting it by the seaside, but I guess it's not happening. The only place I found was closing at 4 p.m. and who does that? But yeah, again, the city, except of some obviously really old parts, and by really old parts I mean like there was a pub from 1752, I believe. So those parts were full of cobblestone, but manageable. It was totally worth visiting the city from the perspective of a disabled person. Obviously I'll try to get to the village like 30-40 minutes away from here if I make it before the sunset. I don't think I'll make it before the sunset. It's almost 7 p.m. and I'm going there to experience seaside, real one. But first let's check if I didn't get a ticket for parking, because my blue badge, that, you know, disabled parking card, is outdated by like 5-6 years already. I just realized it. No, I'm lying. I mean, I knew about it. Yeah, and at the same time I wanted to apologize for not making a proper episode. I'm still here with my family, so that's most important. YouTube records comes after. And tomorrow I'm heading York, so I hope I can provide you with better videos. So if I didn't say it before, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to watch my other videos. So bye bye. Oh, no ticket whatsoever. That's just lovely.